All right, I'm going to do a quick little demo here. Once you sign in to Signalytics, you go to app.signalytics.ai, Pfr. Here you'll click Create a new Pfr report. Name it something. I'd suggest naming it after the keyword that you did a search for so you have an idea how to sort through those. And I'm going to show you how to do it by keyword search. So here we'll do a hot product, elderberry gummies. As you see, it brings up 10. And then what we want to do is we want to click related items on products that have a very low BSR. We've jumped up to 235. Let's do that one more time. Now we're at over 300. Now we just need to scan through this list to make sure that the product is relevant. Sometimes Amazon pulls in completely irrelevant products. We might see something crazy like a mop in this list. So we need to go through here and check and make sure that none of those are in this list. If you're not sure, so see, I'm removing all the ones that are capsules and not gummies, but if you're not sure because of the picture or the title is too vague, you can actually click on the title and bring up the Amazon listing so that you can take a closer look. And here's a prime example of a completely non-relevant product that Amazon has given us for elderberry gummies. It seems to think that this Christmas ornament of a dog is relevant. So when we find an irrelevant product, we just click remove and it moves it over here to the unselected items box. Once we remove all of the irrelevant listings, we can click get ranked keywords. And you can look at the data right here, or better to download Excel. When you open the Excel spreadsheet, you can go to the keyword report, and here is all of the information. You'll see your keywords ranked by PFR. We'll go over what each of these are. Popularity is essentially an inverse function of search frequency. How often the keyword is searched compared to all of the other ASINs in your starting ASINs report, or in the ASINs that you chose to run the report on. The higher the number, the more popular, more searched the keyword. Number of competitors is number of listings. Relevancy, this is with regard to those ASINs that you chose to run the report on. The higher the number, the more relevant that keyword is to your competitors. Demand, this is a function that has to do with how much that keyword is being bid on in PPC. The higher the number, the more the demand. That doesn't necessarily mean more people are bidding on it. That could also mean that one or two big brands are bidding high on it. But either way, these are high bid keywords, which means they're higher demand. Monthly sold, this is the number of units sold every month. Daily sold, obviously, it's self-explanatory. PFR, purchase frequency rank. This is the rank from 1 to 100 of how frequently that keyword leads to a sale. Search volume, this is the monthly search volume for the keyword. Daily need to rank sold. This is how many units per day you would need to sell in order to rank for that keyword. Need to rank 7, so this is how many you would need to sell over a total of 7 days and how many you would need to sell over a total of 14 days. And then these are actually PPC recommendations for that keyword. So like this first one we're looking at here is immune support. These are bid suggestions. The high bid amount, the low bid amount, recommended bid amount, and then whether or not it should be an exact phrase or broad match. So this whole section here is PPC suggestions, and that is the report. Really quickly, I also wanted to show this function. So I just grabbed a random ASIN for a yoga mat. If you click this keyboard looking thing right here, you can insert a single ASIN or a number of ASINs, and then when you press add, it adds it to the list. So if you wanted to start with your product or with your main competitor, you can just add it to this list and then click related items to go from there.